Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an important tool where you can correct your research paper grammatically, and you can rephrase your paper, and you can make your research paper plagiarism free. So let us go on to today's video and explore what are the important options available and how we can make our research content better. So many of us are struggling to make a better content grammatically right, so without plagiarism. So it can be done easily using this tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore the tool. So this is what we are going to discuss today, Prowriting Aid. So it is used to improve your writing style and also find spelling grammar errors quickly, and you can check for plagiarism. So you can improve your grammar style, tone and more today. Complete writing coach. So like that it will use a better option to make your content better. So what you have to do is just click on that, get started. It's free. So this is the thing you will be getting. So dashboard. Here you can type writing. Just a minute. So this is the screen you will be getting. You can summarize, you can change the style, so you can check whether it's grammatically correct or not, or you can rephrase your own content, or you can find a similar meaning for your perfect words, that is nouns, verbs, adjectives. So like that, different options are available here. You can increase and decrease the structure and length of your content also. Let us go on and explore the different options available in this particular tool. So what you can upload a document, or you can start copy and paste a content. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste a content here. So here I am going to copy and paste a content. After you can give see all. So here you can check the writing style of a particular content. So you can see here a passive verb found. So no adverb found in dialogue, no adverb found in outside dialogue. So readability enhancement found, no emotional tells, no style improvement found, no hidden verbs found. So like that it will analyze about that particular paragraph you have pasted. And also you can see here grammar spelling. So possible unnecessary comma. So you can include or change using this option. So here that is corrected. So another important option in this is, so you can click on here recent. So you can see general. So this, if it is a general content, you can change it as an academic. So for example, I am giving academic essay. So it will, the content will change according to the academic essay. So like that. Next one, so I am going to make a critic. So it will change according to that critic. So like that it will change this option using this academics. Next, like that, business. So technical, so creative. You can give biography or fiction or non-fiction. So I am giving non-fiction. So according to that it will change. Similar small change in content will be there. So like that you can make use of this option. So web. So you can go on and explore this option available in this Prowriting Aid. So next important thing is that you can see the sentence length. So reduce your average sentence length to improve readability, reduce between 11 to 1. So you can click on see report. So after that you can see the particular section will be selected to reduce the length of the particular content. So thereby you can copy and paste that content, and you can reduce the length of your content. So and also you can just next readability grade. So you can reduce your average sentence length and word length, improving readability. Next, complex paragraph. Reduce the number of very difficult to read paragraph, reduce by 15%. Next, you can change the accent of that English. So general English, British English, US English, Australian English, Canadian English. So you can change the structure of this. So I am going to give British English, means it will change some of the words according to British English. Next I am going to give US English. So like that it will change, and you can explore here. So these are the important options available in this Prowriting Aid. Next I am going to click on this private writing. So you can upload a new document. For example, I am going to upload a new document, say PV. Okay. Here I have uploaded a document. It is asking document basics of PV docs can be split. This looks like a large document, would be split into sections at the headings. So I am going to give split. So let us see. For a full document to be uploaded, you have to go for a premium account. So let us explore what are the other important options available in this tool. So you can see the document score here. So you can use this document score to improve the content style, or in the previous thing it will told that's around 50%. So you can improve the style of the document also. Here you can click here. So you can style. In the style you can give these are the things which is related with that style. So we have already told about that. So these are the important options available in this Prowriting Aid. So you can make use of this tool to make your content very better, and you can grammatically check this, check your research article using this tool. So thank you for watching our videos. Hope this video will be helpful to make your research paper better. Have a nice day. Thank you.